I'll show y'all my balance still. 24,888, just like yesterday. It's now 7 o'clock. The market just opened not too long ago. So it's 7 p.m. And yeah, I had this set up right here, right? But it didn't come to my furthest level. But sellers came in after it tapped this supply. And they came in at the end, it just kept going down after that point. And it's like I want to stick to my strategy, like furthest area, letting it come to the furthest area, then I enter. But it's feeling like since the market is trending, I don't know. I feel like since the market is trending, it's not coming to my furthest area how I would like it to. And I'm trying to understand why, you know, because I think, was this another setup? What I got drawn up? Oh, yeah, this was another setup right here. But I had the whole thing covered like this. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is another setup right here. And the furthest area was this last white candle. And like, yeah, it broke out right there. And it did come back right there. But it's like, it did it right there. So maybe when it dropped out of here, came back, I couldn't break past this, I should have got in. Because when it's trending, it's trending. Because see, once it came right here, it couldn't go up. And then it just started trending, started selling more, started selling until it just dropped down. So it's like when it's trending, it's like that's what it's doing. So it's like I need to find a way to actually start getting into these trades when I'm going with the trend. Like, it's necessarily not going to come back to my furthest area all the time. So look for price to give me confirmation of it not want to come to my furthest area, and confirmation of sellers like breaking through a fake demand. It just, or a recent demand, it just created, you know what I'm saying, to fake in buyers, and sellers just sell right through it. So I'm just trying to find a way to hop in on these trends, because I feel like I may be making it harder than what it's supposed to be. But at the same time, if I be specific, you know what I'm saying, my specific things gonna show, and I could just take my trades like that and just let it be. So I don't know, just something I just been thinking about. But yeah, we finna see what we can catch. But I'll be back. Let me see. If sellers come in strong right here, I might enter because it's on this downtrend. And I'm going for a 1-to-1. I just want to follow the volume. And this is the furthest level still. And sellers coming in strong. And I just want to follow the volume. Dang, if it ain't doing too much already. But we still will be following the volume. So I'm going to take this trade right here. See if it could continue down for a 1-to-1. Did I just buy? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Give me back green. I don't know why I ain't just get out right there. I just accidentally bought instead of sold. I don't want to take a loss for no reason. And they still took me out of the loss. Dang, that's that bull crap right there. I was moving too fast trying to catch it. Yeah, I was moving too fast trying to catch that. But maybe that was a good thing. Because, like, that was the furthest area. It got stuck at the EMA. and the volume came in. So hey, maybe I just saved myself by that. Maybe, maybe not, you know. But sellers was up here. So I'm gonna get back in. Since I was taking it in the first place, just take it and follow the volume. I don't know, I just feel like I just need to start taking these trades. I need to start trading. Like I sit there and analyze, you know what I'm saying? And I see my setup, but then I don't take it because it don't do it specifically how I want it. And I just end up missing out. So I feel like I just need to start pulling the trigger, trade. Just trade. Look, the selling just stopped. If this a reversal, my nigga, I'm gonna be so like flabbergasted because it's like, God dog it. God dang it. It should be hard for a nigga to line up with price. And it's a reversal. Yeah, I should have got out when I first got in and it didn't do what I wanted to do right off the bat. And that mug reversed. Dang, that's crazy. Literally reversed. Got caught in a reversal. But I was trying to go with the trend off that rejection right there. I just got right back in. Since it came up here and this where sellers was at, I'm trying to see if I can catch it back down. Since it is in a little downtrend right now and broke this structure, basically retested this area. Let's see if it could come back down at this area. Oh wow, this reversal really like that. See, that's what I be saying. It's like, this shit is crazy. And again, that wasn't part of my plan for me to take that. Like I needed a setup to show itself over here, and it's above this 5-minute moving average. But it's like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. And another thing, I was risking $200 at a time, so I only got like 450. Yeah, I think I only got like 450 left of drawdown. Yeah, like 450. So yeah, I'll be back again. I might be tripping, doing too much, which I know I probably am. But I feel like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I got to reset in 2 days. I'm trying to hold on to this one. I got 400 left of drawdown. Probably 3. But I don't know. We'll see. I'll be back. Matter of fact, I think I'll try it one more time. Now that it tapped the area up there, I'll try it one more time. And it's like, I don't want trading to feel like this, like 0.8625. It's like, I don't want trading to feel like gambling. Like, I want it to be legit. Like, I want to have a legit strategy and I want to follow that strategy. I just want to do it a right way, to where I could just repeat it over and over again. And I don't understand why it seems like it's so hard to do that. Cause like I be seeing what I do wrong, and I be seeing where I can get better. I be seeing it all. But it's like for some reason stuff just don't be lining up, I guess how I be wanting it to. But I have to wait for that specific thing for me to take my trades. Just wait for the specific thing to take my trades. So 100 ticks is a 1-to-1 back. So that's a 1-to-1 back. And let's see how perfect it do that. How perfect it give me my 1-to-1. I don't know how stuff be lining up like that. And then actually go back up. But at this point, I'm definitely getting out that break even. Because I tried it, you know. I got the 1-to-1. Dang, I'm trying to see the numbers. It won't let me see the numbers. Damn. I'm going to have to pull it closer down here so I can see. Okay, this supply should get broken through then. It should sail straight through there. It reacted off of it, tried to come up. They should just plummet right through this area and try to come down to this area. Oh, that mug gonna plummet through. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the 1-to-1. Look for another setup. So, then we was at 24,888. I was at 222. But it came up close to this right here. That was our area at first. I said ideally this one, but I had this one drawn up. And it looked like sellers trying to come back in. So, let's see. Might take it. I'm gonna take it. Go for another 1-to-1. Maybe it wasn't enough volume right there compared to these candles. Volume. And then this wasn't no real selling volume. Now the buyer's finna really bring the volume. There it go. Yeah, they brought that real volume right there. Yep. I noticed it. It wasn't no real volume. Back right back down that 400 again. Like I said, I'm finna start pulling the trigger. I'm finna be right back. Another thing too, I'm basically talking to myself basically too. But another thing too, this was somewhat of a setup, and then for sellers, but then it's above this 14 EMA. I think I'm gonna try another sell right here. I just realized I had bought in this little setup, the demand setup. It broke out, came back, and buyers came back in. That's crazy. I had bought right at that little demand setup. I mean, I had sold right at that demand setup, and buyers stepped back in. Let me see something. It's that furthest area. I was looking to take the sale again. Could they come in real aggressive? I'm talking 1 to 2 type trade. It's almost like a breakout for buyers. If they can break it out, it's like a breakout. Yeah, that bitch at 80. It more like a breakout. 597. So my max drawdown is 24,143. See, look, I was holding this mug, man. I was trying to hold this account, man. But today, it's like try to hold this account. But it's like, I don't know, I'm feeling some kind of way. It's like I tried, man. Dang, it don't take long for these mugs to go. Like, I've been doing good. But today, me sizing up, it don't take long. But again, I went against my strategy on that trade. Once it's above here, I look for a buy setup above this 14 EMA. Like, I took a sell setup down here because it was below. It reversed on me. I was supposed to look for buy setups above here. But it's like, it's hard. It's hard for a nigga to, because it's hard for me to just get it together. I don't know. Then I sized up. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be specific. But I'm trying to be specific. But I guess I'm trying to get into the custom of being specific because I haven't been specific, you know what I'm saying, over this whole time since I've been trading about 4-5 years. I haven't been specific. So it's like, I guess I'm trying to transition into being that specific type of trader. And yesterday, I guess it just really got to me because I was sitting there trying to be specific, and I guess I just want to take a trade, and I missed out on so much because I couldn't trade. So, yeah, man. I guess I just got to keep working at it. My other account reset on the 14th, and I only got like $143 left on this one. So basically, one trade left on this account again after I brought it back from the dead. It's like I was trying, but it is what it is, man. Nasdaq soldier. I'll probably trade some more tonight. I got like 100 and something left, so I'll probably go ahead and try to see what I can do tonight, and I'll probably have to reset depending on when this reset actually. Oh, it's on the 21st, so I don't know. I'm about to see what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, YouTube, we back. I ain't get to trade all day today. Today is May 13th. I just took these trades. It was basically kind of a setup. Well, it was a setup. You know, the black one below the white. It was below the 14 EMA, and this currently in a downtrend right now of what it's doing. So everything really lined up. The only thing I would say that didn't line up is, and sorry if the AC too loud, but I was there on the verge of dang near blowing this mug. Only had like 130, 140, something like that to risk. So I was risking 100 at first, going for a 1-to-1, but then I added to this trade and put my stop loss to 50. So it was still me risking 100. And I got in right here once it started failing, because I wanted to get in right here. It didn't pull back. That's the only thing. So I got in right here thinking, for it to just keep falling, because lately it's just been doing that because of the volume. Tried to go up. No, I got in right here. Yeah, got in right here for it to keep falling since it couldn't pull back up. And this happened. And I was like, well, it is what it is. Had my furthest area marked up, and it failed. Still didn't go back up. Failed again. I added on this candle, and then we had got that one to a 1-to-1 too. We had them both basically at a 1-to-1. So we got out somewhere around here on both of them, and we made 192. So yeah, we go right here. We made a little bit of money back just now. So yeah, same account. We just made 200, 190 something. They there 200 back. So yeah, man, I just gotta, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta follow my rules and my 3-step thing. The main 3 is the trend, EMA, and then my setup. So right now it was on this downtrend. It came under the EMA, fighting the EMA, and then we got the setup. So them 3 main things, I should be able to take a trade. But that furthest area, that's additional. You know what I'm saying? I feel like if the other 3 line up, maybe it's still high quality and I don't need the furthest area, but that furthest area is just extra confirmation. So yeah, we'll just see. So right now, all I got for drawdown is 143. We got 340. Damn, I could have did that damn math. Yeah, we got 340 in drawdown left, so hopefully we can survive with this 340 bucks. Hopefully we can bring it back again. It's possible. So we just gotta do what we're supposed to do. No dumb stuff. Cause I don't want to blow this mug. So this probably the account I just risk $100 on for now on. And whenever my other one renew on the 14th, which is tomorrow, I'll be risking 200 on that one. And we'll just play it like that. So yeah, we still grinding. At least we still got this mug survived. We done had it dang there. 2 more days. It'll be, a good week. I think this is the longest I ever kept one. So yeah, NASDAQ soldier. I'm out.